Question is, name the person who was the first writer of Wahi. Answer is Hazrat Khalid bin Said. Question is, which surah of Quran does not start with Bismillah? Answer is Surah Toba. Question is, in which age Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha was died? Answer is at the age of 65 years. Question is, who was the second wife of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? Answer is Hazrat Zubaida radiallahu anha. Question is, how many years Hazrat Halima looked after the Holy Prophet peace be upon him? Answer is, she looked after 4 years. Question is, name the woman who accept Islam first and in all. Answer is Hazrat Khadija, peace be upon him. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you. Like the video, comment and share with others. Thanks once again.